Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing hardware. Make sure your Xbox controller has charge, or plug it in using a USB-C cable. Next, decide whether you'll use the TV's Bluetooth or an Xbox wireless adapter plugged into a TV USB port. The adapter gives lower latency. Once done, power on the LG TV and keep the controller within a few feet. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on the TV. If using an adapter, leave it ready in a free USB slot before pairing. You now perform the pairing sequence on the TV. Go to Settings, then Connection or Devices, and open Bluetooth devices so the TV will scan. Now put the controller into pairing mode by holding the pair button about 3 to 5 seconds. Watch the Xbox button flash rapidly. When the TV shows Xbox wireless controller, select it to pair. The logos will stop flashing once connected. If you're using the adapter instead, insert it and the controller pairs automatically when you press their pair buttons. Once paired, test the controller in a game or the TV's input tester to confirm buttons, sticks, and latency behave as expected. Make adjustments. Open the Xbox Accessories app on a connected device to remap or update firmware if needed, and set audio output on the TV. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Power cycle the controller and TV, retry pairing, or connect via a USB cable. This often forces recognition and enables firmware updates that fix persistent pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.